Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. How are you guys? I hope you're so fine. And today is Sunday, and if you're watching it for a long time, you must be knowing that every Sunday we must go out. That is the reason that we are preparing our Sunday breakfast for the beginning. As you saw, my mom prepared pizza for us. That's chicken pizza, and she just made it, and now she's just slicing it off after she baked it in the oven. And we also had some was that strawberry milkshake with it, and the pizza was so delicious. It was so amazing for today's breakfast. And then let's move on to a recipe type video. Today's actually kind of like a vlog video, so for that, after that, my mom started making something. My amma was making like a bachelor recipe, very easy one. So for that, like if you're a bachelor, you can make this in no time. It will take you like from 5 to 6, I mean at least like max 10 minutes, and then you can finish it. Just like put some onions and all the masalas, and then add some tomatoes and like salts and like all the turmeric and all, then cover it for some minute, and then open it, and then like stir it for a minute, then add some turmeric, like if you whatever, like the taste, it's your choice. The recipe we're giving, it's kind of like a egg curry, only just you don't need to boil the eggs because it should be easy recipe. And when you're boiling the eggs, it take a lot of time. Not a lot of time actually, it takes little bit of time. But anyway, this is much easier. Just take a bowl and then crack a egg, crack some more egg, and crack some more egg if you want, and then just put the egg inside the dish that you were making, like that one, yeah. So my ammu put five pieces, and then after you cover and open it, wow, voila, that's a result. Yes, that's so easy. I know, right? Even my Bono, no, she can't. Like even I can make it. Yeah, and it's so delicious. I really had it. It was so amazing. Well, after having our lunch, we came out. We wanted to go and visit a place where there were like so many peacocks, because my mom was like, I had really so many assignments from my school. I got to finish it. I was also like, did not want to go out today, but at least a little bit we should go, right? That was the Dubai airport. We were passing by, and then yeah, that was as I was telling. So we are going to visit a place where there will be so many peacocks, and we almost reached there. Like this place, well, we thought so, but actually it was not. Well, we'll get to know. Anyway, we continued to walk, and suddenly we started spotting so many peacocks. If you can see at the right, there was a female peacock, and with some of her chicks. Sorry, that's why my abu slowed down the car. And then we entered this place, and then we found out that we are not allowed to go inside there. So we had to like reverse our car from them because we were not allowed to go there. But at least we got to know about it. But then we figured it out that we have reached the wrong place. We shouldn't have come here, but still, there were like so many peacocks. By mistakenly, the map showed us another place instead of the place we really wanted to go. Anyway, we still saw so many peacocks in here, so yep, we were happy. Don't worry, next time we'll try to go to that place we really wanted to. For now, we just took some photos in here because I couldn't like go back the correct place where we wanted to, because we're getting really late and I wanted to study and I had to finish my assignments, because it's just like I've just got it from my school, so I just need to finish it. Anyway, there were so many peacocks. Yeah, just peacocks. There was that one with his of the feathers spread, and there was this one who was just like keeping it like that. Yeah, like resting, I should say. Resting its feathers, yeah. But anyway, I was thinking, isn't it heavy? Like, it is lying down, it's so long, but isn't it heavy? When I hold a peacock feather, it's not kind of heavy, but I don't know. Then we just took some photos. We went there and we just took some photos. Well, nothing new, just some photos. And then we were supposed to go. But then this peacock suddenly showed himself towards us. I don't know for why. And then he started to why he started. We started to take some photos for him because he was not moving. But then we had to go 'cause it was getting really late. If you can see, there's a peacock on the road right there. Yes. Anyway, as I was telling, it was getting really, really late. I feel like they walk like a rooster. They were walking like a rooster. But everybody, here is the female peacock with her cheeks. How do you say that? Cheeks. Yeah, cheeks. I don't know. Anyway, then we were going by, and by mistakenly we cross-checked our road, and we went onto the wrong road. And then anyway, we had to go back. While passing, we saw the Dubai frame. It was really so huge, so amazing. That was so shining because of the sun. And then we went for some shopping. We went for the shopping, and this was all the place that we were shopping for. We wanted to buy some things. Anyway, we just went there to check on some things. But anyway, and then suddenly my Ammu started to remember that we have to buy some things. That is why we were saying these. I also had to get some black printer ink because our printer's ink is finished and I need to take some printouts. That's why we took some ink and some vegetables, and then we were going. We went just there was the food section, then we came to this restaurant. Wow, cool. We were really hungry and it was evening time, so we wanted to take some snacks. So that's why we ordered some pani puris and also some chole bhature. We ordered 2 sweet pani puris and 1 spicy pani puri. And we ordered 1 plate chole bhature. Because not much, we have to go home and take our dinner, that is why. And here is the chole bhature. And also we ordered a masala dosa. Because this was a Keralian South Indian restaurant, so they had only this idli dosa sambar, something like that side. So we tried some masala dosa also. Yes, it was not bad, the food was really good, but as we are from the eastern side of India, so we did not actually like the taste of the southern side. But anyway, it was really good, really good. So right now we came back home. We were as you saw, we were taking our evening snacks. We took our lunch and then we were taking our evening snacks, but now we are home and we're really tired, and tomorrow is Monday, today was Sunday, and tomorrow I have to go to school and I have to also finish some work. So I guess that's it for this video, and we'll see you in our next video. Until then, bye bye. Bye.